Alright, what's up guys? So, McNasty, he has uploaded a video titled Warzone, Try Not to Wheeze. I have been challenged. I will not wheeze, laugh, smiling. I'm gonna do that because it's y'all ain't gonna stop me from smiling. I know somebody's just all like, I should like just straight face it though. I don't think I got it. You know, I'm gonna try not to smile too. So no smiling, no laughing, no wheezing, none of that. It's just straight face, all right? But make sure if you guys haven't, go subscribe to McNasty, the Dude, Soup, and Blarg. And oh yeah, and check out their podcast. Follow them all across social media and any other platforms. But anyways, let's go ahead, get into this video. Straight face. I said, okay.
Would you like the taco supreme?
Yeah, that's fine. Can I?
Beanchy taco.
You know, they should do that.
No, I just
at like restaurants. They, you know, just dude comes out with a guitar and just starts playing it. I support it. I support it.
I just wanted chips and queso.
What about the quesadilla supreme with a chicken?
Feel myself wanting to smile, but
would you like it with a side of guacamole?
No, I can't have guacamole. I'm watching my weight.
Guacamole is okay for you. Avocado is a fruit.
Yeah, can I just get the chips?
What about the fish tacos? They're delicious.
bruh.
I like men,
I can't.
really.
It's I laugh too. It's just cause man, it's like you see you're just trying to order your food. This man just keeps really trying to get his music career going. I'm like, hey bro, look, I support what you're doing. If you have the mixtape to give me, I will listen to it. SoundCloud link, YouTube channel, Spotify, I don't care. I will listen to it. But can I just please order my food? Like, bro, this is just doing too much, man. So, dang.
That is against the Bible. You're going to
I swear, man.
I don't know what's going on right now.
I don't know either. I think I'm just trying to order at Taco Bell.
Good news. Spider egg probably won't hatch by your face while you sleep. Usually they're in a safe place away from humans. But then again, wait a minute. Wait, whoa, what was the... But then again, you never know. Fun fact, the egg sac contain up to 1,000 babies. That's crazy. Yeah, that's definitely like... yeah, that's definitely... I've been watching... Because I know I said that in the last video, how I've been watching just a lot of shows on Adult Swim. And that's usually some stuff that they would do. Like, I'm saying these guys need... That would be, honestly, no, this is my plan. A TV show called Goons, exactly how they spell it, and it's just clips of these guys just playing video games. Can that or can that not be a TV show? I support it. I hands down support it. And then, yeah, then of course just, you know, like a regular commercial break. It could like, you know, it could be one of those like quick, you know, how, like Robot Chicken, it was like literally on for like the same amount of time as a like YouTube ad. Like Robot Chicken went on fast, but they show like a lot of different things, but they can very well do that. I support it. No, you know what? No, that's what we need to do next year. Goons, these guys, they need to get their TV show. They just need to get an Adult Swim TV show, because I hands down support it.
You don't want to go for a ride, do you? We could get out of the palace, see the world.
Is it safe?
And then
Sure.
also just like then for like then they just hire like animators and stuff to yeah, because they did that. They had that one guy that did that animation of them not too long ago. He can like animate stuff like this. I'm saying it just needs, they need to just collect a bunch of people together like for this.
Do you trust me?
What?
Do you trust me?
Yes.
Please show me the world.
Bruh, that's wow. Dang, that was just very that was very racist of me. I thought it was Blarg. That was, you know what, I shouldn't have said that, you know, because I was looking for Blarg. I'm like, I can't see his name. I just seen the dude, but dang. I'm sorry, Blarg. I just, you know, I shouldn't have thought that. You know what, I give you one free pass to, I don't know, think the N-word or think of something. But anyways, just think of how a black movie is just horrible, or just make fun of Tyler Perry. Do something, all right? Because I feel bad now.
It's like Aladdin, the like ISIS adaptation.
Oh my god. Lizards be like, I miss my scale.
Fat people be like, I don't miss scale.
Fat people be like, I broke scale.
Okay, yeah, that's a better one.
Post office be like, I got mail.
Plankton be like, oh my god, it's a whale.
Gary be like, I am a snail.
Bear Grylls be
SpongeBob
like,
once.
I'm gonna drink my piss on this trail.
Dude be like, I only eat chicken and kale.
Blind people be like, Braille.
Deaf people be like, Bishop.
Dang, man. Shout out to all the blind and deaf people. Nobody.
Where's my chapstick?
Oh, I remember this.
You're such a queer.
It's alright, dude.
Chapstick.
I'm getting dry over here.
Where's
Man.
my Bratz branded lip gloss?
Dang, that's a name I haven't heard in a while.
Where's my tutu? Mom!
Like my sister, or was it Barbie? I can't remember. No, it had to have been Barbie because because Bratz didn't come out until like I was in elementary, I think. But or they might have been out for a long. I don't know. But anyways, no, it was my sister's either Bratz or Barbie's dolls. As a kid, I would just rip the heads off. I was so like demonic as a child. I don't know what was wrong with me. But yeah, I would just look at it and I'm all like, you deserve to be headless, and then just rip it off. And yeah, that was just for you guys. If y'all was wondering how was TMossBoss as a child, that was me.
Oh fuck.
I hate all of you.
Ooh, I'm insane in the membrane. I got a small dick.
A weird way of confessing things.
Yeah, I don't know.
Sing rap
Insane in the
lyrics.
membrane, I like men.
What?
Insane and a
I
like
was just singing
man.
a song. Insane in the membrane, I was involved in 9/11.
Insane in the membrane. I got 12 bodies in my freezer in my basement.
Alright, freaking
Insane in the membrane. I'm always trying to compete for my parents' love, but they don't love me because I'm Asian and I don't get good enough grades.
dang.
If I win this gulag, I'll shove a tampon in my butt.
You're too on topic with tampons today to not have a tampon sitting next to you.
Right.
You've really been talking about
Bringing it
tampons.
up.
quite a bit.
Tampons. I'm sponsored, okay, girls?
Are you bleeding from your pussy?
Remember that one girl? That just, I don't know why, just tampon talk got me thinking of that one girl from like, I don't think it was 10 years ago. Nah, it wasn't. It was like maybe 6 or 8 years ago when she had ate a used, like she had put, it was bloody. And she put the thing in her mouth. And I was like, oh my God. Like I honestly, I was choking and dying on nothing after I had seen that video. And I was like, yeah. I just, I wish these guys was doing videos back then so I could have seen these videos and then not seen that video, but that's just deep breaths, because that video, it still haunts me to this day. But what was that girl's name? Because she went viral after that. I think she tried to defend herself. I'm like, there's no defending that crackhead activity. You, my friend, no, she doesn't even deserve a my friend. No, you are crazy. Like, no, hands down, something's wrong with you.
See? Well, try SeatGeek.
What?
David Dobrik be like,
What the fuck?
Bleed on.
What is the
bleed on.
correlation?
You can put a tampon on the seat, I guess.
If you ever wanted to bleed from your ass really close to the basketball players, try SeatGeek.
You ever want to bleed at the game? We're not even sponsored, and we never will be. But SeatGeek. I hate this game. I hate everything about living.
like
I'm just
I was sponsored by them, but then COVID hit and I can't even. But yeah, if you guys want to buy anything from like, no, it's legit. Like, you guys want to buy anything from SeatGeek, use my promo code TMossBoss and they'll knock $20 off of your first purchase.
see how much charcoal I can eat before I pass away.
What? Why?
Is that a Mr. Beast video? First to die from charcoal gets $1 million.
Yeah. gas is coming, the gas is coming, I'm right on the edge of the gas.
Get in, brother. Doggy, your honky Uber is here, brother.
Is that Ubers in the south?
Dang. My channel. Bro, somebody. No, but there ain't no buying that car.
It's not
energy popcorn.
I think I really like that one.
Diabetes check.
Oh my god.
That guy. Just imagine if he doesn't know who they are, and he's probably gonna look their name up. He's just dying of laughter after watching their videos. But nah, that guy. You know he'll love their videos. He is dying. Dang, bro.
Why don't you make sweet love to 8 of my dads?
Bro, Dubra just open for business.
Dude, you got 8 dads. I bet they can make one hell of a cream pie sandwich muffin on a stick. Kebab.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, they could actually.
So is Dubra like a filthy slut or something? What's going on in that realm?
Dang.
Just like a
My
just
mom is the purest,
sloppy-
nicest person.
sloppy
Stop!
Nothing worse than being called a sloppy slut. Just a mess.
It's better than being called a sloppy Joe.
Shut up, sloppy Dallas. That sounds like a that sounds like a sex thing. A sloppy
Yeah,
Dallas.
you want me to give you a sloppy
I
Dallas?
swear, man. Don't make up something
what would
and
it be?
end up like watching it. And I feel like it will become a thing. They'll just figure out like something, and then they'll just call it that. And yeah, then people would just have to reference this video from now on. So there's like McNasty, or yeah, Goons is known for their catchphrase or saying sloppy Dallas, and it ended up just becoming the next, like, it ended up becoming like the next like simp word.
Like a blowjob with a mouthful of dip.
That's
Pack a
disgusting.
fucking massive lip and then suck you off.
That's disgusting.
All the dip spit that would get on your shaft, brother.
Look like a
Just thinking
fucking
about
turd.
Bro, it looked like fucking lawn clippings on your shaft.
Thinking about it's making me horny.
Sloppy Dallas, that's so great.
Can we get that
Some-
trending?
Put that in the Urban Dictionary.
Oh, it's
you know
probably
somebody's
most
gonna put
likely
that
it
on
is
their
after this
dictionary.
video. After this video.
Make it a thing, a sloppy Dallas.
Let's just see.
I don't like the fact that I'm in the playground right now and there's an option to mount.
This is, I'm about to show y'all. I was looking
Well
up.
played.
This is what I was looking up on my phone. Spiritual weapons and tactics. You'll understand it. But anyways, let's see. Oh, they have even though. Oh wait, let's just go. Yup, they have it up on here. Somebody added it. Added yesterday. Wow, y'all are fast with it. Now I gotta drop that like with it. It is actually on here. That is amazing. Shout out to whoever who made this. Trolla, I can't say your name, but shout out to that person because they actually did it. That is amazing. That is seriously
I think as a
amazing.
gym teacher.
Or a priest.
Or a doge.
Or a YouTuber.
Okay.
Get in the zone. Auto zone. Hey, 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 hey. Oh, yeah. Auto zone.
I support it.
I'm never coming back to this church again.
Get in the zone. Do singing with me. Get on the auto zone.
Auto show.
The crusty cray.
I can't believe they still haven't fixed the beard on that guy. It's like a Brillo pad as a beard.
No, they probably.
Brillo
I
pad.
think honestly, because it's an Xbox One thing. I think it's when the next gen consoles and they come out. If this game is on there and they're not just strictly focused on Cold War, then well, yeah, most likely they are. But I don't know if they'll add Modern Warfare to the Xbox Series X and the PlayStation 5. That's a good question, but. No, because it was the same thing with Marvel's Avengers. They had it where Captain America, I think it was either him or Iron Man, like their hair was like, they had like a faded like afro. It was like not like a fade, like, you know, but it was like the afro was like hollow. It looked like a ghost afro, and you can like clearly see like the bald part of his head, but then it was just this like hollow part just like sitting. It was like, I don't know, it looked weird. It looked like a, I don't know, like a condom was on top of his head or something. But yeah, I didn't understand that. I was like, they should have focused on that. But anyways,
A dish cleaning pad.
It's like if you leave an 8-layer lasagna in a dish for like 2 months and can't get it out.
This is the most boring commercial for Brillo pads I've ever heard. Do you have lasagna that's been there for a while?
Dude just has like a gun to the back of his head reading his script.
You ever just leave food on something and you need to get it off?
You're just don't do dishes for like a month.
You ever so far in depression that you
Hold on, I gotta go to the other side. Brillo pads are great for getting rid of lasagna.
the light does more.
dang.
Imagine just listening that whole thing on the radio. You're just like driving to work.
Dude, it swerve and
You
crash.
scream, you crash.
Exactly.
Hear that whole
yank the wheel.
exchange. Slam the accelerator into a fucking pole.
Oh god.
That was good. That was a good one.
Yeah, hey, yeah.
Big Nasty, how many times are you gonna be in the fucking sky?
How you doing over there?
You're just like above the
Oh,
whole
yeah,
map, like
how you doing?
like you jumped out of the plane again.
He doesn't even care. He's in
I
his
hope you
own.
get sucked up into one of the engines of those planes.
How you doing over there? What you doing with your hair? You looking real nice, girl. Wanna touch you in your
I
butt?
hope my computer shuts off.
You got a nice little butt.
I hope
Oh
some
yeah,
computer
you
shuts
got
off
a
so I can
nice little
leave.
butt. Nice little butt over there. No, not too frog vaccine in front of the C5.
Wow. Wow.
Live footage of Hitler's suicide.
Song could never get old. Yeah, that was a good video. That was pretty good. No way possible I could hold my laughter in or not smile throughout that video. So I didn't wheeze, but yeah, I failed. I'm like, I ain't even afraid to admit it. But anyways, make sure you guys, if you haven't, go subscribe to McNasty. Go subscribe to the Dude Soup and Blark. Like, subscribe to me too, and I'll talk to you. Oh yeah, check out their podcast. Follow them all across social media. And yeah, now then like, subscribe to me too, and I'll talk to you guys later. Thank you guys for watching, and peace.